Awesome. Hey, thanks a lot for joining us at the Polygon Across. It was great having you here. We just have a few questions to get to know you more, if that's fine.
Yeah, sure.
Awesome.
That's why I'm here.
Yeah, so can you maybe start off with talking about how you became a developer and then how you got into the Web3 ecosystem?
Yeah, of course. Like most of peeps, like I started my journey with computer science engineering. Then like my first job was in the cryptocurrency exchange. Although of course at that time I was not in the Web3 space, but every time I just go to the office, I see something related to crypto. So one day I decided, okay, I'll just go to the white paper of Bitcoin. And the day when I just read that paper, I was like, wow, this is something really cool. And I just decided, okay, this is something I want to pursue. I jumped to the blockchain space, then did a lot of freelancing, worked on various blockchain platforms, explored the things, and like biddle it.
Awesome. That sounds amazing. So how was your experience at the Polygon Across, and what would you want to tell to these developers who are building yours?
Yeah, I guess one thing that is really cool is that the idea and the things they are building is they are very clear about it. Like it's not like hey, I'll build something that is of no use case or something like that. Even like when we talk about even tokenomics or any other things, like how will the user flow, they are like looking on the user journey or experience. So that is really nice, and like each idea on its own is like really different and unique. So that's also great. It's not like you are following something. It's like not like that. It's like a unique in its own way. Yeah. Even like I get to learn a lot from those.
Awesome. So for folks that do not know, can you maybe talk a little bit about what you do and what does EPNS do?
Yeah, sure. So like I'm currently working as a VP of engineering at EPNS. So EPNS is basically trying to create world first or building world first communication protocol. So for example, let's say in DeFi, your loan is about to get liquidated, or maybe right now we all or most of us own ENS name, but we don't know when it is going to expire. And if you wanted to see like, hey, your loan is going to get expired or something like that, you always have to go to the browser, log in with the MetaMask and see what's the position or anything. But with EPNS, you can get notified about Web3 notifs and everything on your mobile application, extension, SDKs and app. So it's really cool thing.
Awesome.
So in very short, with EPNS, you can send and receive Web3 notifications. Yeah,
that's awesome. And what would kind of be your advice for anybody who's starting out their Web3 journey, be it DevFolio hackathons or be it anything, right? What would your advice be?
Like first thing is start with basic. I started with Bitcoin white paper. So go through that white paper, make your basics strong. At least how transaction works, how basically blockchain works, what is blockchain, rather than directly jumping to the crypto world, understand what blockchain is. Then of course DevFolio is hosting a lot of cool hackathons, participate in that, meet cool people, build something, and that's the thing, hustle it.
Yeah, awesome. Is there any final words of advice that you would want to give to any builder in this space, be it experience, be it beginner, any advice for the founders?
I guess of course it's not an expert advice, but just a suggestion. They are of course blockchain is changing a lot. You'll see on every day there are a lot of things that is exploring and changing. So don't try to hesitate to try new things and follow that. Okay, this cannot be done. Explore it, try to build it, hack it. Even if you fail, then it's experience, right?
Do you have any advice for builders who are just starting out in the Web3 space, be it DevFolio hackathons or any project that they're starting?
Yeah, I guess one cool thing is I have started my journey with Bitcoin white paper. So cool thing is start with basic, understand what blockchain is, how transaction work, at least the very root level of blockchain. And once you understand the root or the very basic of how blockchain works, then DevFolio is hosting very cool hackathons, participate in that, and meet builders and try to hack it.
Awesome. That sounds perfect. Thanks a lot. It was great having you here.